was Hanna Kroeger. She is known or was known as the grandmother of health, and she actually ended up selling herbal products such as teas and potions and vitamins, and I just find it fascinating. I'm going to read from the Kroger Herb Products Company Inc. website, and it's at krogerherb.com, and I'll link the actual article. Hannah Kroger. Oh, and the reason why I'm researching her is because I'm loving the book. I started reading her book and I just love it. She, in her book, included the 10 Commandments of Health, and that just resonates with me. And for some reason, herbology really resonates with me. I know that we're in the dream. Course in Miracles says we're in a dream, but in the dream, we can use magic until our mind is healed enough that it reflects to our bodies. And so, if you're not there where you're at 100% perfect health, but you want to take herbal products, feel free to investigate what is going to do good for your body. Let's see. There are concentrates, teas, herbal combinations, sunny day vitamins, tinctures, and even supplement kits. And she's written a lot of different books. The book that I'm reading, I believe, is the Seven Causes for Sickness or the Seven Causes of Health. I don't have it right here with me, but it was a really good book, and I'm still reading it, so it resonates with me. And let's get back to her. Um, so the grandmother of health, Hannah Kroeger, is a recognized icon in natural healing worldwide. I have not heard of her, and I don't remember how I even came to purchase this book. Throughout her years, Hannah affected thousands of people with her cheerful disposition and her accomplishments in the field of natural health care. And when I looked her up, Wikipedia mentioned that she was born in Turkey and she died in Denver, Colorado at the age of 84. I haven't been to Colorado yet, but one day I would like to go. Oh, I take that back. I did go. I drove through Colorado with my friends on a cross country tour. But did we stop in Colorado or did we just drive through? I don't know, but I don't want to digress. As a young woman, she attended nursing school at the University of Freiburg in Germany. Later, she assisted at a larger hospital in Dresden, which primarily used natural methods. That's one thing I can respect about Germany. They are on the cutting edge when it comes to alternative health, alternative medicine. My friend or acquaintance was telling me that they're using fecal material, the bacteria or something having to do with that, and of skinny people to help the gut health of people who are obese. And it works. Something about the bacteria of skinny people. This is going on in Germany. It's a surgery that you can have. And so it's like, wow. And I've heard of other different things that are healing happening in Germany. It was in a hospital that she, Hannah, began to discover many amazing ways to restore health using herbs. As a mother and nurse, Hannah embodied resourcefulness. In the early 1950s, Hannah moved from Germany to the United States and settled in Boulder, Colorado. She quickly became disappointed in the lack of nutritious foods, leading Hannah to start one of the first health food stores in the country right in the heart of Boulder. Wow, 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 wow. I wonder if that store is still around. If I go to Boulder, that's where I want to check out. That's where I want to be. From her small shop, Hannah shared her mastery of the restorative powers of European and American herbs. In 1978, with the demand for her herbal formulas becoming too great to meet using just her kitchen, Hannah started Kroeger Herb Products. Over the years, Kroeger Herb Products has grown to distribute Hannah's products internationally. Called the Grandmother of Health, Hannah received numerous awards during her lifetime for her contributions to the world of herbal healing, as well as for her profound understanding of healing herbs. On May 7th, 1998, Hannah Kroeger made her final embrace in this world in peace. As we honor her work and continue her efforts, we at Kroeger Herb Products try to honor her philosophy to, quote, help each other. I just love that. I haven't gotten anything from this company, but it seems pretty much on the up and up. Sometimes you'll hear about smaller companies being acquired by bigger companies, and it seems like they are just, a small business and they are into treating people uh, through herbal and natural healing remedies. Okay, so that is it. Again, I've not purchased anything from these people. There's another company that I've purchased from. I think it's Mary Kay. No, I'm sorry. Ruth Organics. Is it Mary Ruth? I don't know. I'll leave the the website there. I love that company, and come to find out, David GM, he's a Kabbalist. He studies Kabbalah. He started that company with his ex-wife. So I could attest to that because I've purchased some products from there. And so, yeah, I just want to help people. If you don't believe in the Course in Miracles, look into herbology, try herbology. It's a natural form of medicine. A lot of medicines have side effects. And so try natural remedies. There's this book called Food is Medicine. Look into it and let food be your medicine. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.